Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Channel. I am Emma.
And I am David. Welcome.
Today, we have a special podcast for you. We're going to practice a real-life English conversation at a hotel.
Yes, you will see what to say when you arrive, how to check in, and how to ask for help.
No grammar rules today, just real, natural English.
Are you ready? Let's go to the hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel. How may I help you today?
Hello. I have a reservation under the name David Miller.
Hello, Mr. Miller. Nice to meet you. Let me check my computer. David Miller. Yes. A single room for 3 nights. Is that right?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. You have a long flight from Toronto. Are you tired?
A little bit, but I am very happy to be here.
We are happy to have you. Here is your passport back. Your room is ready. It's room 304 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you very much. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. every morning. It's in the dining room, just over there.
Perfect. And is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, there is free Wi-Fi everywhere in the hotel. The network name is Grand Guest. The password is on this card.
That is very helpful. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome, David. The elevator is on your right. Have a wonderful stay.
Thanks. See you later. Very nice room. Very clean. Wait, where are the towels?
Reception, Emma speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, Emma. This is David in room 304.
Hello, David. Is everything okay with your room?
The room is lovely, but I have a small problem. There are no towels in the bathroom.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. I will bring some clean towels to your room right now.
Thank you so much. There is no hurry.
See you in a few minutes. Here are your towels, David. I am sorry again for the mistake.
Oh, please don't worry. Thank you for coming so fast.
It is no problem at all. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes. I'm getting hungry. Can you recommend a good restaurant for dinner?
Of course. Do you like Italian food?
I love Italian food. Pizza and pasta are my favorites.
Mine too. There is a wonderful Italian restaurant called Bella Roma. It is only a 5-minute walk from the hotel.
That sounds perfect. And what about tomorrow? Are there any interesting attractions nearby?
Yes, you should visit the City Museum. It is very popular, and the gardens there are beautiful.
The City Museum. Great idea. Is it far?
It is about 15 minutes by car. Would you like me to book a taxi for you tomorrow morning?
Yes, please. Can I have a taxi at 9 a.m.?
A taxi at 9 a.m. tomorrow. All booked.
You are fantastic, Emma. Thank you for all your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your dinner at Bella Roma tonight.
The next day.
Good morning, David. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Emma. Yes, I slept very well. The bed is very comfortable, and breakfast was delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Did you go to Bella Roma last night?
I did. The pizza was amazing. Thank you for the recommendation.
You are welcome. Your taxi for the City Museum will be here in 10 minutes.
Great. Could you give me directions to the museum entrance when I get there? Is it easy to find?
Yes, very easy. When the taxi stops, you will see a big green gate. Walk through the gate, and the main entrance is right in front of you.
Big green gate. Got it.
Ah, that's your taxi now. Have a great time at the museum.
Thanks, Emma. See you this evening. A few hours later.
Welcome back, David. How was the museum?
It was wonderful. The gardens are so big. I walked for 3 hours.
Wow, you had a busy day.
Yes. Emma, I have a quick question about tomorrow. My flight home is late in the evening. Is it possible to have a late checkout?
Let me check the system for you. Normal checkout is at 11 a.m., but I can give you a late checkout at 2 p.m. Is that okay?
2 p.m. is perfect. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Have a relaxing evening, David.
A few hours later. Hello, Emma. I'm ready to check out now.
Hello, David. Of course. May I have your room key, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Everything is paid online. You have no extra charges.
Wonderful.
Did you enjoy your stay with us?
I really did. The hotel is great, and you were so kind and helpful.
Thank you, David. You are a wonderful guest. I hope you have a safe flight back to Toronto.
Thank you. I hope to visit again next year. Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, David. See you next time. And that is the end of our story. Did you enjoy the conversation?
We hope it was helpful for you. Now, we have one simple question for you.
Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite thing to do when you stay at a hotel?
Do you like eating breakfast, swimming in the pool, or sleeping in a big bed? Write your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload a new real English conversation every week.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.